It's been shed kept. He said it hasn't ran in a while. But it has sat in this shed right over here, folks, so it wasn't sitting outside or anything. In fact, until the other day, it hadn't sat outside in quite some time, folks. It does not run. You're buying it as is. We do have title, clean, clear. We're ready to go with it. A nice little winter project car for you. Chevy Nova time. What are you going to gather up here? Start me out, get about 5,000 where? Nice project car for somebody.
What is the reasoning behind wanting to do the Nova?
I don't know. It just goes back to the Omega I had.
Make it bring 1,000. 950.
I always kind of liked that car. I had, like in high school, I had big plans for it, and then, it died. So.
1,700. Get him 100. Last call, 1,700. 1,700.
Once we got started on Brandon's Mustang, they got me thinking and got the itch again to do something. So.
Sold right here, 1,600 bid. Congratulations, number 9898, the buyer. We're going to move out. We're going to sell those Kubota tractors.
What the hell is this? What do you got there?
This is your car.
My car?
This is your car. This is your car.
My car? My car? My car? I said a 10-second car, not a 10-minute car.